Hello, fellow real estate professionals. Have you completed your 2023 real estate business plan? If not, you need one now more than ever. Are you having the same buyer and seller standoff challenges we are in our market? Buyers who want to wait until the market crashes and interest rates go back to 4% or lower? Or sellers with sub 4% interest rates waiting on the sidelines or wishing they had sold 6 months ago? Or sellers you have on the market having a hard time adjusting to less buyer showings, the need for drastic price reductions, and buyers who can and are just simply negotiating? We've made this shift and adapted our business to embrace the opportunities our current market provides. That's right, every market has opportunities, and we want to share those strategies and solutions with you.
We invite you to join us live on Wednesday, December 7th at 10 a.m. Pacific Time via Zoom for just $23 to discuss how to seize the opportunities now. We'll be walking through strategies to overcome the obstacles just mentioned. And hey, Jan, what else do we have on the agenda?
Here's what you'll learn in this 90-minute workshop packed with everything you need to focus on to close more transactions in 2023. First, understand what's really happening in the housing market and how to find these opportunities, including FHA and VA loan assumptions. Second, we're going to really build your 2023 business action plan, integrating your personal and business goals with target strategies that get results. We will share where to find buyers and sellers who want or have to buy and sell now, while also building your pipeline for future sales. 3 key strategies to create repeat and referral business, how to have prospective buyers and sellers contact you because they already know, like, and trust you instead of chasing cold leads, how to work a niche market that you enjoy and are truly passionate about, and how to really become that local market expert and trusted advisor.
Beyond all that great content, you'll receive our pre-workshop workbook, which will help you get your head in the business planning game, free access to our Agent Fundamentals and Business Planning course, which includes 16 lessons and all 15 of our planning templates and downloads. And you will receive our newest download, 100 real estate content ideas for video and social media. Once again, the workshop price is $23, and you can sign up at wbnocoaching.com/Seize 2023. Mark your calendars for Wednesday, December 7th at 10 a.m. Pacific Time, and get ready to seize the opportunities.